Let's add some more methods of valuation under the market approach, under the income approach. So, besides what we discussed, the quoted price method of valuation under the market approach, what you also have under the market approach, something which is known as initial investment or recent round of funding. So, based on the market approach, when you are trying to do the evaluation of a startup, so what you will do, you will use initial investment or recent round of funding. So initial investment जो हुआ है, at what price it has been done, or the recent valuation, at what price that valuation has been done. So generally, and please pay attention, generally what will you do, you will take the last valuation of this company and find out what is the further value addition the company has done or the startup has done since the last round of funding. So now what you have to do, you only have to find the value of the value addition that has been done since the last funding and add that value of that value addition to the last valuation, and that becomes the valuation of that startup. Now there are two methods that you use. One is known as PORI. PORI is price of recent investment. And remember, you can have a question as to what is the full form of PORI, PORI, and that is of course price of recent investment. But they will give you four options. But if you have understood this, I am sure you will answer this question without any difficulty. And that's your PORI, प्राइस ऑफ रिसेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट. दैट मीन्स रिसेंटली जो इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ है वो किस प्राइस पे हुआ है, रिसेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट के बाद इस कंपनी ने क्या प्रोग्रेस करी है, जो प्रोग्रेस करी है उसकी क्या वैल्यू बनती है. सो रिसेंट प्राइस और जो जो वैल्यू एडिशन है दोनों को कंबाइंड करें, दैट बिकम्स द वैल्यू. सो दैट इज द बेसिस, दैट इज पोरी, प्राइस ऑफ रिसेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट. और इट कैन बी प्राइस ऑफ recent transaction, port. Again, there can be a question as to what is the full form of port. So port की full form क्या होगी, price of recent transaction. Alright, and then comparable companies and comparable transaction we have discussed already. But one thing that you would like to understand here as to how to do the valuation using the comparable company method or comparable transaction method. You use the valuation using, you do the valuation using comparable company method or comparable transaction method with the help of multiples. With the help of multiples. Meaning what? Meaning, let's say for example, the company that you are trying to value has got an EPS of 100 rupees, right? Company that you're trying to value has got an EPS of 100. So you are using a comparable company method. That means the company XYZ, उस कंपनी का वैल्यू है लेट्स से 10,000 करोड़. हाँ, the company that you are trying to benchmark with has a value of 10,000 crore. उस कंपनी का EPS है लेट्स से 200. तो PE कितना हो गया, PE हो गया 50, राइट? इज दैट राइट? यस, 50 हो गया, PE 50 हो गया. सो नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू यूज द मल्टीपल. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? दैट मीन्स जिस कंपनी का आप वैल्यूएशन करना चाह रहे हैं उसकी EPS है 100 और आप जिस कंपनी से आप बेंचमार्क कर रहे हैं उसका PE है 50. तो आपकी कंपनी की वैल्यू कितनी होनी चाहिए? आपकी कंपनी की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए EPS इंटू PE मल्टीपल ऑफ योर बेंचमार्क कंपनी. सो आपका EPS कितना है 100, उसका मल्टीपल कितना है 50. तो इसका मतलब आपकी कंपनी की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 5,000 करोड़. डज इट मेक सेंस प्रसन्ना जी?
Yes, yes.
डज इट मेक सेंस बमन जी?
Sir,
या गुड. सो दिस इज हाउ.
ये simple.
यस सर. Yes, sir. Okay, so this is how you will use the this is how you use the multiples for the purpose of deciding value. Now, under the market approach, you can also have industry valuation benchmark. Now, what is industry valuation benchmark? इंडस्ट्री वैल्यूएशन बेंचमार्क का मतलब है प्राइस पर बेड, प्राइस पर सब्सक्राइबर. सो लेट्स से you are doing valuation of a hospital, right? So you want to do the valuation of hospital X. You have the valuation available with you of a hospital Y, and उस hospital का valuation है 10,000, right? और उस hospital में 100 बेड हैं. तो इसका मतलब हर एक जो बेड है उसका वैल्यू कितना हो गया? उसका वैल्यू हो गया 100, राइट? सो द वैल्यू ऑफ योर बेंचमार्क हॉस्पिटल इज 100 पर बेड. नाउ ये जो एक्स हॉस्पिटल जिसका वैल्यूएशन करना चाह रहे हैं उसमें 400 रूम है, 400 बेड्स है, तो एक्स का वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स हॉस्पिटल विल बी 100, that is the multiple or the benchmark, into the 400, which is the number of beds. So that means the valuation of your hospital X that you want to value will be 40,000, and this is how you will use the industry valuation benchmark for the purpose of valuation. And likewise you can do the valuation of telecom companies. So telecom company है, उसका value है. So divide the value of a telecom company by the number of subscribers. So number of subscribers. So whatever that number comes, so that becomes the multiple. So if the number comes whatever that may be, then company that you want to value, multiply this value with the number of subscribers of your target company to find out the value of your target company. So that's your valuation based on the interest. This of course we have discussed. So that's your some more methods of valuation under the income approach, under the market approach.